Is bracket time as March Madness tips off this week with the best men's and women's college hoops teams facing off to see who will be crowned champs. But if all that running and jumping sounds too exhausting for you, maybe it's not your thing, maybe we could learn about March Napness. Our Jeremy Roth explains the tournament that's more about the snores than the scores.
Finally, move over, March Madness. Make way for March Napness. Oh, it's a thing, all right. It's a kooky competition put on by the Paws Animal Welfare Organization, allowing folks to make picks on the hibernation schedules of a slew of sleeping bears. It's not too late to fill out an online bracket, and whether you win or lose depends on who hits the snooze. Oh, 5 more minutes, Mom.